Have you ever wondered about the incredible animals that once roamed our planet but are now sadly extinct? Today, we delve into the annals of history to explore the fascinating tales of 6 species we've lost to our voracious appetites. Our journey takes us first to the lush tropical island of Mauritius, home to our inaugural species, the dodo. An epitome of innocence, the dodo was a flightless bird, blissfully unaware of the dangers lurking in the form of seafaring explorers. Unfortunate for the dodo, it lacked the instinct to fear humans, an oversight that would ultimately lead to its downfall. The sailors who had embarked on long and perilous voyages found the fearless and easy-to-catch dodo a convenient source of fresh meat. Over time, the relentless hunting and habitat destruction by these seafarers led to the dodo's tragic extinction. The dodo's lack of fear towards sailors was its downfall. From the skies, we now dive into the ocean. Picture the coastal waters of the Bering Sea, teeming with life. Among this aquatic menagerie, the Steller's sea cow was a sight to behold. These marine mammals were gentle giants, reaching lengths of up to 30 feet. Unlike their modern relatives, the manatees, Steller's sea cows were unable to venture onto land. They spent their lives in the chilly waters, grazing on kelp and other sea plants, but their peaceful existence was shattered with the arrival of mariners in the 18th century. The sailors found the meat of the Steller's sea cow to be not only abundant, but delicious. Unchecked hunting soon took a toll on their numbers. Within 27 years of their discovery by Western explorers, these magnificent creatures were hunted to extinction. The Steller's sea cow's delicious meat was unfortunately its undoing. Next, we take a journey back to the expansion era of the United States. Picture this: skies darkened by endless flocks of birds, their numbers so vast they seemed infinite. These were the passenger pigeons, a species that once held the title of the most abundant bird in North America. Their story is tragic. As settlers moved westward, these pigeons became a readily available source of food. However, the settlers' need for sustenance soon turned into a relentless hunt. The birds were slaughtered in their millions, their numbers plummeting at an alarming rate. Despite the passenger pigeon's impressive ability to reproduce, the relentless hunting eventually took its toll. The last passenger pigeon, a female named Martha, died in captivity in 1914. The passenger pigeon's flocks once darkened the skies, and now not a single one remains. Their story serves as a stark reminder of the devastating impact our actions can have on the natural world. Imagine wealthy hunters seeking nothing more than excitement and trophies. Our story now turns to the Eurasian aurochs, a majestic creature that once roamed the wide expanses of Europe and Asia. These formidable beasts were a sight to behold, standing tall with their massive horns and robust bodies. They were the epitome of wild, untamed beauty, a symbol of nature in its purest form. However, their grandeur was their downfall. The Eurasian aurochs, much like the trophies sought by the hunters, became a symbol of status and power. The thrill of the hunt, the adrenaline rush of facing such a formidable opponent, drove hunters across continents. This relentless pursuit of sport and display of dominance led to a rapid decline in the aurochs' population. Before long, the echoes of their thunderous roars faded into silence. The once abundant aurochs were no more. The relentless hunt for sport proved fatal for the Eurasian aurochs. Let's now talk about the enigmatic great auk. This flightless bird once thrived in the frigid territories of the North Atlantic, from the chilly shores of Canada and Greenland to the rugged coasts of the British Isles and Northern Europe. Imagine, if you will, a bird standing about 3 feet tall with a robust body and large, webbed feet, perfectly adapted to its oceanic lifestyle. However, the great auk's unique features also became its downfall. Humans coveted the bird for its meat, feathers, and eggs, turning this creature into a valuable commodity. Their feathers were used for pillows, their eggs were collected for collections, and their meat was a source of sustenance for sailors. This relentless exploitation led to their numbers dwindling rapidly. Our insatiable desire for resources pushed the great auk to extinction. By the mid-19th century, the last known pair was killed, marking the end of this remarkable species. A sad tale indeed, reminding us of the consequences of unchecked human greed. Last but certainly not least, we have the legendary woolly mammoth. These colossal creatures were perfectly adapted to life in the frigid, harsh landscapes of the Ice Age. Their long, curved tusks and a thick coat of fur made them a symbol of the era. Unfortunately, they couldn't adapt fast enough to the rapidly changing climate at the end of the Ice Age. These changes, combined with the relentless hunting by early human civilizations, brought about their downfall. As the mammoth's habitat shrunk, so too did their population, until they vanished from the face of the earth. These gentle giants, once the rulers of the Ice Age, are now only found in the stories we tell, the fossil records we uncover, and the ancient cave paintings we discover. Their legacy serves as a stark reminder of the profound impact our actions can have on the natural world. These gentle giants are now only depicted in fossil records and cave paintings. It's truly astonishing how our actions as humans have had such a devastating impact on the biodiversity of our planet. We've journeyed through time, witnessing the tragic tales of the dodo, the Steller's sea cow, the passenger pigeon, the Eurasian aurochs, the great auk, and the woolly mammoth. Each of these creatures, once thriving and magnificent, fell prey to our insatiable appetites, our unquenchable thirst for sport, and our relentless march towards progress. These stories serve as a stark reminder of the power we wield over the natural world. Our choices, our actions, have consequences that echo through the ages, altering the course of life on Earth. We must remember that every creature plays a vital role in the intricate web of life that sustains us all. By spreading awareness and changing our behaviors, we can ensure that future generations won't have to learn about stunning animals like these solely through history books. Before we wrap up this journey through time, we'd like to remind you to like, share, and subscribe. If you found this video enlightening and believe that raising awareness can make a difference, hit that like button. Share the video with your friends and family to spread the word about the threats facing our planet's biodiversity. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Prakin Technology, for more insightful content like this. Every click, every share, every subscription helps us to continue educating and inspiring people about the wonders of our natural world and the importance of its preservation. Thank you for your support. Stay curious, stay informed, and together we can make a difference.